Hi, and welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to talk about MetaPWR Advantage with Collagen plus NMN. This is part of the Using Gifts of the Earth with Faith course found on my website. This information can also be found in my book by the same name, and this book can be found on my website jadebolton.com, amazon.com, and lulu.com. A percentage of the proceeds of all the sales of my books will go to children's charities, so I thank you in advance. So here it is, the MetaPWR Advantage. It comes in a box and it has 30 sachets of this powder that you put in water. This is a blend of 9 collagen types sourced from sustainably harvested cold water marine fish in Italy. So you can see on the screen, there's 9 different types of collagen in this. It helps with our skin, our bone, cartilage, muscles, cell membranes, joints, vertebrae, brain, fibrillin. Fibrillin is a glycoprotein which is essential for the formation of elastic fibers found in connective tissues. So basically it helps us look younger, feel younger from the inside out and on the cellular level. But that's not all. Besides the 9 types of collagen, we have red-orange fruit extracts, NMN, NADH, hyaluronic acid, the MetaPWR oil blend, of course, resveratrol, sea buckhorn fruit extracts, rose apple fruit extracts, phytoceramides, liposomal vitamin C, and biotin. You can take any of these ingredients and do an in-depth research on the benefits of them. You'll find some amazing benefits. That's one of the things I like to do, is to read up on some of the research and know what it's doing for my body. That way I can encourage my body to absorb all of the benefits. So what you do is add 1 sachet to 5 to 8 ounces of cold or room temperature water and drink it immediately. We don't want to take it with hot water. You want it to stay alive and active. So you can take 1 to 2 sachets per day. Some people need to be super users because they need all the support that they can get because of what they're experiencing currently in their health. Just stir it or shake it really well before you drink it. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. It is the glue that holds everything together. It makes up our skin, bones, teeth, hair, nails, eyes, connective tissues, organs, ligaments, muscles, and cartilage. There are about 28, sometimes 29 known types of collagens, all of which have different functions and uses within the human body. MetaPWR Advantage includes 9 unique collagen peptide types. Taking these 9 different types of collagen with the vitamin C and other nutrients helps support collagen synthesis. Collagen makes up 30% of the body's proteins, 70% of the proteins in the skin, and 80% of the proteins in the bones. Collagen makes up the lining of your arteries, organs, and intestines. After the age of 20, we start losing collagen from our skin at the rate of 1% per year. MetaPWR Advantage is formulated with yeast powder, nicotinamide, mononucleotide, NMN to help naturally increase NAD+ and NADH levels in your body. Nicotinamide mononucleotide is a necessary precursor in the biosynthesis of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NAHD stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide plus hydrogen. NAD+ and NADH occurs naturally in the body and assists the body in generating energy, or ATP, adenosine triphosphate. I hope I'm saying all that right. NAD+ is a coenzyme found in every cell of the body that assists in the metabolic processes and mitochondrial function. NAD+ converts food into energy and protects your cells. So think of it as the worker inside of your body. Without sufficient levels of this worker, NAD+, cells can't generate the energy to survive and function. By age 50, the NAD+ levels in many people are generally half of what they were at age 20. This decrease can lead to various health challenges like weight gain and reduced energy levels, to say the least. Supplementing with collagen and NMN may optimize metabolic health and improve your overall health span. The bioavailable and stable active ingredients in MetaPWR Advantage are designed to maximize collagen, vitamins, flavonoids, and polyphenol benefits. MetaPWR Advantage collagen is also hydrolyzed, which means it is broken down into specific tripeptide fragments, which dramatically helps the body absorb all the benefits. MetaPWR Advantage collagen is over 70% tripeptide fragments for superior absorption. It is 12 times more absorbable than most collagen products currently in the market. Other ingredients in the MetaPWR Advantage are essential oils, lemon, grapefruit, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon, resveratrol, rose apple extracts, ceramide from rice, red orange complex, sea buckhorn, biotin, hyaluronic acid, liposomal vitamin C. These special ingredients add many benefits, such as offering high levels of antioxidants and vitamins to help synthesize new collagen into your body and supporting the structure of the tissues. So it's not just the collagen, it's all these helpers of helpers of helpers that assist. Can you see why it's a big bang for your buck? I thought you might be interested in understanding what the signs are that you might need more collagen. Skin issues. If we have wrinkled skin, saggy skin, brown spots, or textured skin, your skin is not smooth, it's kind of bumpy and rough, weak, brittle hair and nails, or when your hair is thinning out, bone issues, muscle and joint discomforts, and this means the various labels that people are given for bone issues, muscles and joint issues, okay? Gut issues, we have a ton of names for gut issues, right? Cardiovascular issues and liver issues. So if you have any of these signs, chances are that you can benefit from the collagen. The wonderful news is that the MetaPWR Advantage is great value. Instead of paying $314, it's $84.50 as a wholesale member. So that's something affordable for you to buy monthly. Here's a list of uses and benefits. A lot of my friends and family and I are experiencing these amazing benefits. Number 1, mental clarity. Who doesn't need that? It helps assist in effective multitasking. Multitasking is not always good, but it is kind of necessary in our world today, right? So imagine if you can juggle all that confidently. Better sleep, more energy, reduced afternoon lag, so you don't get tired in the afternoon. Clear hunger and satiety signs. Support skin health, of course. Improves skin elasticity and firmness. Healthier, stronger hair. Supports lean muscles and connective tissues. Healthy biological aging process. Healthy biological aging process. What that means is you may feel a lot younger than you are. It can extend and protect cellular health, supports faster wound healing, helps with bone growth and density, joint support, reduces stress. It helps create stronger tendons and ligaments. This is just amazing. I just hope everybody gets on this. Let's talk about MetaPWR Advantage on the emotional and spiritual level. It is about returning to wholeness. Wholeness is more than just healing from pains and discomforts. Wholeness means you have alignment and balance with your divine self on all levels. The MetaPWR Advantage encourages you to focus on unity and a higher quality life. A higher quality life requires you to raise the bar on personal progression and growth. Raising the bar to personal progression and growth leads to greater happiness, hope, and inner peace. To rise to a greater height of happiness, recognize and accept your own beauty and brilliance. Make peace with yourself and your past. You are unique and important to the world. The inner peace helps sustain you as you adjust to different changes, seasons, and situations in life. Develop a growth mindset as you recognize that all your life experiences can be for your own learning and progression. Be one with your heavenly parents. They can give you strength, power, and wisdom to resolve the inner conflicts that have created your pains and discomforts. When you return to inner peace and unity, you'll be able to be more unified and tolerant with people around you because you're tolerant with yourself. The inner unity will be reflected on your physical health as your body operates at more optimal levels. Believe that you have the power to control your body, mind, and spirit to achieve this unity. With this control, you can heal yourself faster, connect to your body, and it can teach you to know what is best for you. You will know how to eat and what to eat, when to rest and repair, and when to move and exercise. As we age, we tend to overcomplicate life, right? MetaPWR Advantage helps your mind and body to return to a simpler state. You can operate with ease and flow each day. This ease and flow come from integrity with yourself and your divine path. You do not need to answer to others or be distracted by the changing social expectations, comparisons, or competitions. Feel safe to be you. Let go of fears and limitations as you learn to maximize your own happiness. Take MetaPWR Advantage daily to help you make these important changes and grow on all levels. Let's look at the negative emotions that we want to get rid of. We need to identify them and then get rid of them. Some of these emotions can be inherited from generations. Inflexible, rigid, hopeless, critical, rejection, anger, discouragement, insatiable, lack of self-love, lack of self-acceptance, lack of self-control and discipline, feeling separated and distracted. When you use any products, make sure you're doing it proactively and not passively. Passively is just waiting for the product to work for you. Proactively is encouraging your body, your mind, and your spirit to make changes all at the same time. Here are some examples of negative thoughts and beliefs that may have created those negative feelings and emotions. Life is difficult and complicated. This is just how life is, and we can't change it. I'm angry and disappointed with myself and people around me. If you identify with some of these thoughts and beliefs, let's change them because they're not helping us, right? Here are some positive emotions that we can adopt. Feeling unified, satiety, like satisfied, right? Clean, clarity, pure, purified, hopeful, happy, energized, healed, organized, renewed, intelligent, resilient, self-love, self-acceptance, tolerant, integrity, light, abundance, and self-control. Just pick a few at a time and work on adopting them. Here are examples of positive, enlightened thoughts and beliefs to adopt. These positive thoughts and beliefs lead to positive feelings and emotions. I am satisfied and grateful. I am intelligent and enjoy mental clarity. I am happy, healed, and hopeful. Imagine you saying these things to yourself daily. It will make a huge change in your life. Here are some positive affirmations. I am at peace with myself and others. I am beautiful and brilliant. I love and accept myself fully. Repeat these as you use your MetaPWR Advantage. Put them on your bathroom mirror or something. Here are some companion products that you can use with the MetaPWR Advantage. Take them with your supplements: Lifelong Vitality, Phytoestrogen, Bone Nutrients, Terrazyme. These are fundamentals. Save time by drinking it with your greens. Mix them all in the same drink. Here's an important tip. Make sure you don't drink the MetaPWR Advantage with your doTERRA fiber. Take the doTERRA fiber 1 hour after taking the MetaPWR Advantage. We want the nutrients from the greens and the MetaPWR Advantage to be free to not bond with the fiber so that the nutrients can do its job inside our body. The fibers are great because it bonds with excess waste inside our body to clean it out of you. So we really need the nutrients to have time to be absorbed inside our body to do its job to build tissues and cartilage and blood and whatever it needs to do. Here's another tip for you. Do not combine Terrazyme and MetaPWR Assist. We'll talk about MetaPWR Assist in another video, but do not combine those two because Terrazyme helps break up the food and helps you absorb faster. MetaPWR Assist slows down the absorption so that your blood sugar level doesn't spike. So you need to take these two products at least an hour apart. I hope that makes sense. I like to help people be self-aware and be empowered, and how we do that is to apply what we learn right away and execute the changes that we want to make. Please answer these questions. 1. Can you see yourself incorporating the MetaPWR Advantage in your daily life? Are you going to take it in the morning when you work out, or would you like to take it before lunch? How would you like to incorporate the MetaPWR Advantage in your life? Question 2, why is it important to return to wholeness? I know this might be a loaded question, but we need to sit down and talk to ourselves. We need to make some obvious choices. Sometimes you think you've chosen, but you haven't intentionally chosen to return to wholeness. Make that statement and write it down on paper. Write down all of the benefits of why returning to wholeness is important. If you bought into that idea, what will happen is you'll put more effort into changing. You'll be more motivated to remember to use it. Many times people know what is good for them, but they don't do it. Why? Because they haven't intentionally chosen and planned it out and visualized what it looks like. And that's what we're trying to do here. Sometimes we have an emotion of the lack of self-love, and sometimes our subconscious stops us from remembering what to do to love ourselves and take care of ourselves, you see? What changes do you hope to achieve? What changes do you hope to achieve? Speak it into existence. Say, I would like to have stronger bones. I would like to have firmer skin. I would like to have more muscles. I would like to have more energy. Write it down. Speak it into existence. This is a powerful activity. Try it and you will see. I love how doTERRA takes good care of us. As a wholesale customer, you can purchase the supplements or the MetaPWR Advantage, and then you can have 3 additional supplements to personalize your supplementation. What a fantastic deal. Isn't that awesome? Well, we've come to the end. Thank you so much for being with me. Please visit my website for more information and videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more juicy information and follow me on social media. Please comment below and share this video with your friends. Bye for now. Take care.